Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have a new installation for my 2021 Toyota RAV4. This is for any 2019 to 2024 Toyota RAV4. A dash cam. FITCAMX installation is super easy. I'm going to show you everything on this new dash cam for your RAV4. And if you don't have a dash cam, you definitely need one because you never know. Let's get to it. This dash cam is going to go right here where this cover goes. And installation is easy. The only thing is just to remove this cover and do the connection. It's only one connector that you have to do. Super easy installation. Okay, the first thing that you need to do this installation is push down on this cover. Push down, and the only difficult part is gonna be to remove that cover right here. I'm gonna show you in a minute why. First thing to do is push down on this cover. Now that it's down, just try to remove it like that, and the only thing that you need to do is put your finger inside and push down on the little clips. It has two clips on the top part. I can show you right now, but I'm going to show you in a minute once I remove it. This is the only difficult part, but you have to play with it to remove this little cover in the middle. Like I said, this is the only difficult part. Once you push it down, the only thing that you need to do is put your finger and push in this little clip. Push in and down. Same thing on this one. Push in and down. It's easy, but when you have it on this side, it's kind of difficult. But once you remove these two parts, disconnect this little cable right here, press on this clip, and disconnect it. That's the only thing that you're gonna need for your new dashcam. Before you put this away, the stock cover, don't forget to remove these clips and put them on your new cam here and here. Transfer those so everything is snap really good in place. In the new package, you're gonna have a tool that you're probably gonna need, but I didn't need it in my case. The cover and this cable. Like I said, once you disconnect it, this goes on the connector, this one goes on inside the connector, and this one goes to the camera, which is this one right here. If you see on this side, it has a memory card and is included. This one has 64GB memory card. Installation is complete. If you can see right here, it has two buttons, power on and camera. Now let's download the app to operate this dashcam. Okay guys, installation is done. Once you download the app, you're gonna have here the barcode for the App Store for Google Play. Download the app and follow the instructions. Once you download the app, you go to settings and you're gonna find the Wi-Fi, and the password is 1234567 8. Once you do all that, your dashcam is gonna be ready and working. It's recording right now. Wi-Fi is really good, really strong. You can go to the files, and here is my first video. Probably it's not gonna show anything. Well, it already showing some. It has 4 videos right now. It's gonna do the loop, so I believe every 3 minutes is gonna be saving those videos. And you can take pictures and record. You're gonna stop it right here, stop the recording, and start right there. Installation is super simple. Camera is working right now. Actually, later on I'm gonna be driving around, get that footage from my phone and put it on the video. Okay guys, as you can see, installation is done. The quality on the video is really good. It's 4K Ultra HD. And like you see in the footage, it's gonna have a super wide angle. It's gonna fit right on the RAV4. No problems with connection, no problems in the app, no problems with the camera. Dashcam works really great. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for this camera if you wanna get it for your RAV4. And I hope you like this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.